Peter, give me a clever.
I can give you a clap.
Yeah, you can clap for me. Nice.
Yeah.
He
That's
can't
better.
click.
We first met in 1968.
We were just friends for a long while. We've been here in this house for about 20 odd years. Our last kitchen was also from Howdens, and it lasted us 20 years. We knew we wanted to use Howdens again for our new kitchen.
Well, I picked the Allendale range because looking at the catalogue, it always showed that it was the best in value, but also has that traditional shaker design with a wood grain finish. The sage green cabinets paired beautifully with the solid wood worktop. It provided all the things that we were looking for, especially the corner unit with the pull-out bits. It makes life easier for June to access. It's not so cluttered anymore.
We tend to live in here. We don't often go in the front room. And as soon as the children come, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, they come straight in the kitchen. What have you been cooking, Grandma? So, kitchen's important, yeah.
Yeah, and all the options that made life easier for the other half. I actually got that one in.
You did.